You want straight in a line?
Yeah.
You ready?
Let's see what she does today.
Huh?
I said, let's see what she does today. Should do a two-step check first.
Yeah.
Let's check the two-step and then
Alright. Alright. Well, we're back at the track again. My brother is trying to achieve this 9-second pass. So we kind of mess with the boost controller a little bit. We think we got it good.
yeah, it's working on the highway, so
Yeah, so I mean we tested out a couple times when we, on our way here. So right now we're gonna see what happened.
sounds right.
Chasing this 9. Not as busy today for the last day, for the last truck day for Byron. We got like streetcar lane right here. That's it. Got it?
Got that side.
You figure it out yourself.
I mean, it felt good.
Felt good?
Yeah. 10, 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good start.
Yeah, for the first ride.
For the first hit, that's a good start. 10, 12.
156, 60
Yeah.
foot.
Yeah.
I think like my fastest was like 155.
Yeah.
And like there, I didn't even like wait that long on the two-step.
Right.
So
No, that's a good.
it started.
That's a good start.
Let's go from there.
Yep. Yeah, 10, 12. Cool.
133.
That's pretty good. 9. Get that 9. Yeah! Oh, hell yeah!
983.
Yes! I don't think he look at his time yet. Check his time slip out. He don't usually check until I show up.
Yes, no, maybe so.
One way to find out.
Let's go!
Hell yeah!
Finally.
Oh, shit! Hey, that thing leave good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I
It's
was
good.
at a 1460.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got 98.
Yeah.
About time.
You're good. You're good now. You're good now. 9-second streetcar.
Yeah?
Right here. We drove what? 50 something miles.
Yeah?
We drove 50 something miles to the track, and we're going to drive home back. Probably do some racing on the road if we feel like it. But yeah. Nissan 300. First night. 9-second pass. Let's see that.
Good.
918.
That's not even my fastest mile per hour either.
No. She was hollering.
Yeah. It's just a 60 foot. That's my fastest 60 foot so far.
Yeah. Nice. I say one more pass and she good to go.
See if I can get a 1460.
Try.
For Jason West.
Alright man, it's gonna be the last pass. See if we could get our next 9. It's a good burnout. 172, 130. Woo! Got your 9 again.
There's no fucking way this thing ran at 9.7
Yeah.
on the rev limiter too.
Yeah. Let me see what you got there.
I got a 1.4 160.
Yeah, because she leave hard that time. 138. Oh, 9.7. Street car, you don't need no more than that. Well, you still got room. You still got room if you want to get dirty. Alright guys, so we achieved the goal. We achieved our goal with the 9-second furthest Z. So that's gonna be our last pass for today. So we're gonna pack up and drive home. Real street car.
1.60. I almost ran a 1.360. Now I want to go for a 1.360.
Nah, I'll leave her there.
Another day.
Yeah, another day.
That's my fastest mile per hour.
That's it, your fastest?
I think so, yeah.
I tell you like, oh yeah, 138. Yeah, you drove around like a 134.
I think my fastest is like 138 something.
138
This
something.
might be faster or not. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. She's leaving. She's hooking. I think the Subaru got to tighten up now. With his 60 foot. You almost had the Subaru 60 foot.
Almost.
Oh,
You're like
almost there.
133, right?
Yeah, 133. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next upload.